Hey guys, Corey here, and today I'm going to teach you how to use Tween service to make a working door where if you click it, it moves. So a couple of things that you sort of need if you want to do this tutorial is you need a few blocks inside a model. This one right here is the actual door, and it has a click detector in it and a script, which is what we're going to be using to use the Tween service to change the door position. And then we're going to have the hinge to give it some sort of lifelike effect. Inside the hinge I have a script that's a weld script, but you can also use a weld constraint. It's just what I'm used to. And then I have two separate hinge positions, which is actually just a placeholder for the C-frame. I recommend that you guys use that too. Without further ado, let's get into it. So this is what the script looks like. I'm gonna do it and I'm gonna show you guys how it works. Or I'm going to tell you guys how it works, and then I'm going to show you. Local tween equals nil. So this is just a placeholder value. I always do that with things like skills that I want to save for later in case I want to change an attribute of it. After that, we have local position equals closed because that's the starting position of our door. And then script.parent.mouse click connect function. And then player. So basically I'm going to create a failsafe so that no one but me can open the door. If player.name double equal because it's an if function, or if condition Corey was nuked x2 because that's my name. You could also do that with player.userid, but it's harder to get your user ID and it's easier to remember your name. So, after that, we're getting to the actual tween part, which is if position double equal closed, then, and then we're going to go two spaces down, and then we're going to write else. And then in the top position again, above the else, we're going to write position equals open. And then after that, we're going to start working on the actual tween itself. So, local goal equals, and then I'm going to make a flat table. Basically what that is it's just going to hold the properties of, the part that you want, which for our purposes is mainly just going to be C-frame. So we're just going to do goal.C-frame equals script.parent.hinge pause 2.C-frame. So there's that, and now we're going to do local ti, which is going to be our tween info, and then we're going to make tween info.new, and then I'm just going to put 1 because I don't really need any of the other processes. I will put a reference in the description that will go over the tween information in depth. It's going to be on the developer forum, so check that out if you want to learn more about it. Burp. So, now tween equals game.tweenService create, not clone, create, and then it's the part, which is script.parent.hinge. There we go. And then it's the TI or the tween information, and then it's the goal. And then after that you have to do tween : play. And then we can copy all of this up to position open. Copy that, place that in if, and then change open to closed. And then change hinge pause 2 to hinge pause 1, and that should work. So now if we play it, the door opens and closes when I click it. Pretty cool, huh? So this video was fun and very quick to make. Let me know if you guys enjoy videos more like this. Like, comment, subscribe, all that stuff. Let me know what you want me to do next. Have a great day, friends. I love you. Don't take it personally.